Alright guys, today I'm going to show how to change the layer from the signal that you've routed already from one layer to another. Um, so here, for example, right now I have uh, layer 9 right here. I want to change this to layer 11, right? So how am I going to do that? As you can see, the VIA that I'm using here, it is it has an access to all the layers. It's from top all the way to bottom. Let me show that. Oops. Um, so let me change that. Yep, as you can see, it goes all the way down to the bottom from top. There are 14 layers, right? So yeah, coming back to how. So what I'm going to do is I want to change from layer 9 to layer 11. What I'm going to do is I'm going to define all of C lines, select everything, right click, change to layer, and which layer are we going? Layer 11. Click, done. Here's layer 11. We turn off the DRC for time being. So we have shifted from layer 8, sorry, 9 to layer 11, right? Before it was layer number 9. If you remember correctly, it was blue blur, right? So I'm going to change that as well, the color. Layer 11, let's make it blue, and layer 9, let's make it green. Apply, okay, done. And I'm going to change layer 8 as well. Layer 8 comes to layer 9, right? Layer 8 comes to layer 9. So I'm going to do the same. Find all of only C line. Select all the C lines. Right click, change layer. This layer are we layer 9. Done. Right. And I'm going to change the color as well. So for this brown right here to signal 9, and it's layer 8 with green. Done. Alright, cool. So top, let's fit it once. Signal, cool. Ground, signal, ground, signal, ground. This is half of the layer 7, and another half ground. Okay, I'm gonna need to copy this right here. Copy, find all of save. Copy, paste. Let's change this to um, change to layer 8, right? Okay, and I'm gonna bring this here. Done. Okay, layer 7. Then we have layer 8 signal, layer 9 ground, sorry, layer 10 ground, layer 11 signal, layer 12 ground, 13, 14. Okay, so I'm gonna need to put this layer 12 as well. Copy, saves, done. Change to layer 12, done. Move this around right here to layer 4, done. So layer 10 was ground, then 11 is signal, turn off the RC for time being, 12 ground, 13 signal, 14 power plane, and ground. Okay, we are done. Very good. So that's the straightforward procedure. Yeah, and if you have a buried via, that's another case. In that case, you're gonna need to change the via. Let's say, for example, if you are using a via from chop to say layer 4 right here, now you shift layer 4 to layer 6. You're gonna need another via, right? Which goes from top to layer 6. So yeah, as per that, you're gonna need to change the via, and it's gonna be straightforward as well. Um, you just need to select. So right now, if you see, it goes all the way down. Um, in that case, you're gonna need to select the via as well, and select those via that you want to shift to. Uh, let's say, for example, layer 11. Okay, so uh, I'm going to highlight the particular via, and then I'm going to just click here and change the. I think the best would be like if you go here, patch stack, replace or modify patch stack, and whatever via that you're using. For example, this is the one that I'm using. So I can modify here directly and update it over there. Like, let's say I was using to layer 4, top to 4. Now I change to top to 6, right? Because I've shifted layer 4 to layer 6. Just an example. So if you're shifting routing signal from 4 to 6, so the via, the buried via, or let's say it was from top to layer 4, now your unit layer the top to layer 6. So you can easily change in the patch stack editor right here, and can update the patch stack refresh. That's all you need to do. Refresh, and you're gonna get the updated patch stack. All right, that's all for today regarding how to change the routing layers or shapes from one layer to another. Ciao, guys.